Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed YouTube Shorts on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders. Right here you're going to find products, customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly here, you're going to find apps and settings. So basically guys, right now, what you need to do is go to online store. Then here you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Go ahead and click on themes. And then once here, you're going to find your current theme. And here underwards, you're going to find customize. Go ahead and click on customize. And then you're going to be taken to the editor. Once here in the editor, just go to the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to find all of the elements of your page. So once here, go ahead and click on add section. After that, you're going to find all of these options right here. You can add a slideshow, image banner, and so on. Go ahead and search in this list for custom liquid. Give it a click. And then it's going to be added right here. So basically, guys, here in custom liquid, just go to the left and then you're going to find liquid code. Right here, you can embed your code. So in order to embed a YouTube Shorts video, first of all, go to YouTube Shorts. So just go to the video you want to embed and then just click on share, click on embed, and then you're going to get the code. Copy it and then go here to this box, paste this code right here to liquid code, and then just click on save. As you can see, guys, it's going to be added right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.